On January 30, 2026, Godrej Properties Limited announces the acquisition of an approximately 8.5-acre land parcel in the Mahalunge micro market of Pune. Key project details. Project type. The site is slated for a group housing project. Developable potential. It is expected to offer approximately 2.1 million square feet of developable area. Revenue potential. The estimated revenue from the project is around 2000 crore. Strategic location. Situated in the Mahalunge Nanded belt, the plot is part of high growth Hinjewadi Balewadi corridor. Infrastructure proximity. The land is located near upcoming Pune Inner Ring Road and established social infrastructure including Delhi Public School and the Symbiosis Center for Management. Context of the deal. This acquisition was completed through a outright purchase according to Gaurav Pandey, MD and CEO of Godrej Properties. The move aligns with the company's strategy to strengthen its footprint in vibrant urban centers and IT/BFSI hubs like Pune. If you would like, I can provide more details on the nearby amenities and schools in the Mahalunge companies. This with other recent Godrej acquisitions in Pune or Bangalore. Track the latest stock market reaction to this announcement. Thank you for Indian Express issue in public interest by Dr. Manoj Kumar Munot.